Hello friends, welcome to yet another video at Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar. Friends, in this channel we are trying to bring to you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So please like, share and subscribe, and let's begin. So friends, the first vacancy is from Bank of Maharashtra for the recruitment of 150 post of journalist officer on all India transfer basis. Friends, here the eligibility qualification asked is a bachelor's degree in any discipline with minimum 60% marks. Even CA, CMA, CFA or FRM degree holder are also eligible to apply. Friends, the candidate should be between the age of 25 to 35 years to apply for this vacancy. Friends, all are permanent post, and in this case you need to have 3 years of experience as an officer in any scheduled commercial bank. Friends, the package would be 9 lakhs gross and you have to apply online latest by 6th April 2021. Next vacancy is from Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board for the recruitment of 3 posts of Assistant Director at New Delhi. Friends, the educational qualification asked is MBA or its equivalent. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years. It's a permanent post and you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 8.5 lakhs gross and you have to apply online latest by 14th April 2021. Next vacancy is from the Punjab State Cooperative Supply and Marketing Federation Limited for the recruitment of 2 posts of Deputy Chief Accounts Officer and 9 posts of Senior Accounts Officer. Friends, the education qualification asked is BCom with CA or CMA. Friends, the upper age limit in both the cases is 37 years. Both are permanent posts, and for Deputy Chief Accounts Officer you need to have 5 years of experience, while for Senior Accounts Officer you need to have 2 years of experience. And friends, in both the cases the initial basic pay would start with 47,600 and you have to apply online latest by 12th April 2021. Friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box below, so those who are interested can directly click there and apply for their vacancies. Moving on, friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 62 posts of Assistant Accountant and 8 posts of Assistant Accounts Officer. Friends, the education qualification for Assistant Accountant is BCom with the specified computer course given in the advertisement, while for Assistant Accounts Officer you should be either a BCom or MCom. Friends, the upper limit in both the cases is 37 years or both are permanent posts, while for applying to Assistant Accountant you don't need to have an experience, but for Assistant Accounts Officer for BCom you need to have 9 years of experience, while if you are MCom only 3 years of experience would be sufficient to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the per month initial basic pay for Assistant Accountant would be 35,400, while for Assistant Accounts Officer it is rupees 44,900 per month. Friends, you have to apply online latest by 12th April 2021. Next vacancy from the Institute of Stem Cells Science and Regenerative Medicine, which is an autonomous institute under Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for 3 posts of Junior Management Assistant at Bangalore. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation in any discipline. Friends, the upper age limit is 35 years. These are permanent posts, and in this case you need to have 4 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Then the package would be 6.8 lakhs gross and you have to apply online latest by 31st March 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited. It is a recruitment for senior post of General Manager Finance and Accounts. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or MBA Finance. Friends, the upper limit is 55 years. It's a 1 vacancy post at Bangalore. Friends, again it's a contractual post here and there is a requirement of 20 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, your per month salary would be around 1,40,000 rupees and you have to apply offline latest by 20th April 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from IIM Visakhapatnam for the recruitment of Assistant Academics and Research or Admin and Programs. Friends, the education qualification asked here is PG in Commerce or Management or Mathematics, Operation or Research, Statistics or Technology with minimum 55% marks, and even a CA or CMA are also eligible to apply. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years. They have not mentioned any specific number of vacancies in the advertisement, but it is mentioned that it will be as per the requirement of the institute at the time of recruitment. Friends, all these are contractual posts and in all cases you need to have 4 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, your per month consolidated amount would be 50,000 rupees, and to apply here you have to mail your application to assistrecruit2021 @iimv.ac.in latest by 5th April 2021. Moving on, next vacancy is from Indraprasth Institute of Information Technology, which is a state university, and here the recruitment is for one post of contractual post of junior manager academics. Friends, the education qualification asked is post graduation in any discipline with minimum 55% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years and you need to have 1 year of experience to apply for this vacancy, and you will get a per month consolidated amount of 59,000 rupees. And to apply here, you have to apply online from the institute website latest by 14th April 2021. Next vacancy is from Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology, which is an institute of national importance. Friends, here the recruitment is for 15 post of junior assistant at Surat. Friends, the education qualification asked is 12 pass with minimum 35 words per minute typing speed. Friends, the upper limit is 27 years, all a permanent post, and for all these posts even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 4 lakhs gross, and to apply here you have to first apply online latest by 19th April 2021 and send a hard copy to SVNIT latest by 29th April 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of senior assistant at Surat. Friends, here there are total 8 vacancies. The education qualification is same as shown in the previous advertisement, and here up the upper limit is 33 years. It's a permanent post, but here you have to have 5 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package here would be 4 lakhs gross, and you have to apply online latest by 19th April 2021 and send a hard copy of your application by 29th April 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from University of Hyderabad for the recruitment of one vacancy of finance officer. Friends, the education qualification asked is master's degree with at least 55%. Friends, it's a tenure post and you need to have 15 years of experience in academic level 11 as an assistant professor, or 8 years of experience in academic level 12 as associate professor, even 15 years of experience in admin or comparable experience in research establishment with Institute of Higher Education are also eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 26.85 lakhs gross, and you have to apply offline to the university latest by 15th April 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Indian Institute of Information Technology Design and Manufacturing for the recruitment of 7 posts of junior assistant at Kanchipuram. Friends, here the education qualification asked is bachelor's degree in any discipline. Friends, the upper limit is 27 years, all are permanent posts, and even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 4.4 lakhs gross. You have to apply online latest by 30th March 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Primary School of Kalikiri for the recruitment of 2 posts of head clerk or accounts clerk at Andhra Pradesh. Friends, the education qualification for head clerk is a graduation degree, while for accounts clerk you should be a BCom graduate to apply. Friends, they have not mentioned any age in the advertisement, but this is a contractual post and even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, your per month consolidated amount is 50,000 per month, and you have to apply offline latest by 10th April 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from IIM Udaipur for the recruitment of 1 post of senior executive marketing or assistant manager marketing. Friends, the education qualification asked is MBA or equivalent qualification. Friends, they have not mentioned any age limit, but it's a contractual post and you need to have 5 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the per month amount what you will get will be in line with the industry norms, and you have to apply online latest by 10th April 2021. So friends, that's all for this week. See you all next week with all the latest updates. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.